of the girls' freshman 800 coming up here. Section 2 will include Chloe Nace of Wheatley, Catherine Payton of Caravel, Claire O'Hara of Kellenberg, Angelica Perdomo of Lab Museum, Desira Figueroa of South Shore, Emily Mogavera of St. Anthony's, Janice Jones of Brian Banneker, Kayla Dudley of Port Richmond, Julia Garrity of New Providence, Megan Capitelli of Kellenberg, Serena Chang of West Windsor, Nina Suss of Metuchen, Jillian Dunsky of Brooklyn Tech, Julia Yu of Brooklyn Tech, Marina Murillo of St. John Vianney, and Nicole Fusco. And we have Julie Yu of Brooklyn Tech on the lead. She's opened up a 10-meter lead on the first gap here. Had about a 35-second meter first lap there. Julie Yu powering away at this point. Will she get a challenge? It looks like maybe number 4. We'll pick up a number here in a moment. And looks like we have another. We've got, I believe, Claire O'Hara of Kellenberg on the lead now. Claire Kellenberg has gone into the lead. She's powering around here. Claire Kellenberg taking it around. Can she hang on now? She's getting a challenge. Section, I think that's number 13, Jillian Dunsky of, no, that's not Brooklyn Tech's. $158. We still got a good battle here. Coming on strong at the end here. It is number 12. That's Nina Suss of Metuchen. And it looks like Angelica Perdomo of Lab came up for second there. No, actually that's